Hello learners. Welcome to my class. I am Ma'am Jocelyn of Tangub City National High School. Our topic today is about the digestive system. Listen carefully because at the end of the lesson, you are expected to identify the organs that make up the digestive system, and describe the function of each organ. Let's define digestion. Digestion is the process by which insoluble food, consisting of large molecules, is broken down into soluble compounds. Digestion starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. Digestive system consists of two major parts: major organs and accessory organs. Major organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus are part of large intestine. Accessory organs are liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Accessory organs support the digestive system but are not part of the digestive tract. Mouth. The first part of the digestive system. The entry point of food. Teeth, salivary glands and saliva are some of the parts of the mouth that helps in grinding and moistens the food. Function. Mechanical digestion. Increasing surface area for faster chemical digestion. Esophagus. A tube connecting the mouth to the stomach, running through the thoracic cavity. Function. To support the movement of food. Food travels down the esophagus, through a series of involuntary rhythmic contractions, wave-like, called peristalsis. Stomach. J-shaped muscular sac. Has inner folds, rugae, increasing surface area of the stomach. Function. Stomach performs mechanical digestion by churning the bolus and mixing it with the gastric juices. The bolus is now called chyme. Small intestine. Responsible for the complete digestion of all macromolecules and the absorption of their component molecules. Example: glucose, glycerol, fatty acids, amino acids, nucleotides. Function. The main function of the small intestine is absorption of nutrients and minerals from food. There are three parts of small intestine: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum. U-shaped organ. This area completes most of the digestion processes. Jejunum. Is approximately 2.5 meters long. Its role is absorption of nutrients. Ileum. Is approximately 3 meters long. It is responsible for pushing the waste materials into the large intestine. Large intestine. The large intestine is composed of several very distinctive parts. Cecum, colon, include ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon, and rectum. Function. Absorbing water and electrolytes, producing and absorbing vitamins, and forming and propelling feces toward the rectum for elimination. Liver. Largest of the accessory organs. Mass of about 1.5 kilogram. Liver produces bile, which is a greenish-yellow pigment made up bile pigments and bile salts. Function. It breaks down old red blood cells. Gallbladder. A storage sac. The bile is secreted into it and stored here. Function. The bile emulsifies fats in partly digested food, thereby assisting their absorption. Pancreas. The pancreas secretes a number of different enzymes into the small intestine. Function. Role is to digest carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins completely. How does the digestive system break down food to nourish the body? Digestion of food is carried out by the organs and substances of the digestive system. During digestion, food is broken down to smaller parts, a fraction of which is made up of nutrients. Almost all animals have a digestive system in which food enters the mouth, is moved through a long tube, and exits the anus as feces. Food is broken down by two actions: physical or mechanical, chemical. Different species of organisms have different ways of digesting their food. In humans, digestion starts in the mouth where food is chewed and broken down to smaller pieces for easier digestion. This is called mechanical digestion. Initial chemical digestion starts also in the mouth. This is carried out by enzymes, molecules that speed up chemical reactions. Enzymes present in saliva such as amylase helps break down carbohydrates, which are large complex molecules, into simpler ones that can be used by the body. After swallowing, the food now turned into a bolus enters the esophagus gullet, and is moved down into the stomach where it mixes with gastric juices and acids. Other enzymes such as protease and lipase help break down proteins in the stomach and fats in the small intestine, respectively. Digestion ends in the small intestine where nutrients are absorbed in the villi and enter the circulatory system. Wastes that remain after digestion go to the large intestine where water is also reabsorbed. These wastes, including the water that was not reabsorbed, are temporarily stored in the rectum before they are excreted out of the body through the anus. Let's have an activity. I want you to identify the major organs of digestive system and give their functions. Digestive system is like a machine that never stops working. Name the following parts and give its function. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching.